Coffee ring or hard water residue stain ruining your beautiful granite countertop? Don't panic. We'll help you learn how to remove any water-based stain on granite. This method is a quick and safe way to clean the stain using just a microfiber cloth, dish soap, and distilled water. Dampen a microfiber cloth with distilled water and add a few drops of mild dish soap. Avoid harsh cleaners and acids to protect the stone. Use the damp, soapy cloth to gently wipe the stain away. Now, use another clean microfiber cloth dampened with just distilled water to remove any soap residue. Finish up by wiping the area dry with one more clean and dry microfiber cloth to avoid streaks. And that's it. A quick, gentle way to remove stains and keep your granite looking like new. Got a food stain on your quartz countertop that just won't budge? Chicken curry or yellow food dye? Yeah, they're stubborn. But don't worry, here's an easy way to get rid of it fast. To remove the stain, you'll need dish soap, water, baking soda, and a towel. Start by mixing a teaspoon of dish soap with a teaspoon of water. Then, slowly add baking soda until you get a paste, thick like toothpaste. Spread that paste right over the stain. Cover it completely. Now let it sit for 10 minutes and do its thing. Next, just wipe it off with a damp towel. That stain, gone. If it's still there, repeat the process until it's gone. Quartz is durable, but even it needs a little TLC sometimes. Find us at apartmenttherapy.com for more cleaning tips.